الكتاب المبين إنا أنزلناه قرآنا عربيا لعلكم تعقلون. These are ayahs, signs of a clear book. Surely we have revealed it, an Arabic Quran reading, that you may use your intelligence mind. Qur'anan Arabiyan غير ذي عوج لعلهم يتقون. Arabic Quran reading without any crookedness, so that they may take guard. So Allah has made the Arabic Quran reading without any crookedness. It is a very explicit reading Quran without any crookedness, so that you take guard. So in this ayah, another point is included. The Arabic Quran is made by Allah or revealed by Allah, Arabic Quran, so that people should take guard. They can have taqwa. That means you can have the taqwa of the reading in Arabic. You must remember the Quran means reading. You can see the book and reading continuously. You can see the words of kitab means the book. Look, I read again. Tilka ayatul kitab. Kitab means the book. Mubin, clarified, clear book. Inna anzalnahu Qur'anan Arabiyan. Meaning, surely we have revealed the Quran, Arabic Quran. So you must understand the book itself is in Arabic and the revelation is also in Arabic. So you have to read Quran means reading in Arabic. So in the whole world you will see that people are reading the Quran, reading the book in Arabic, meaning reading the book. That is Arabic. So book is also in Arabic and people are reading also Arabic. Quran is reading. Look, it says an Arabic Quran reading, so that you may use your intelligence. Not in only translation. If somebody is only reading the translation, believe me, he is not getting anything. You must read with Arabic text, always. Arabic translation, Arabic translation. If you exclude the Arabic, I'm sorry, you will not get the essence of ayahs. Only translation will not benefit you, because it may contain human errors. And Allah has made this Quran reading is Arabic. Always He says Quran Arabic, reading Arabic, reading Arabic, reading Arabic. Quran means reading. Book He says separately. And He says reading of Arabic. So it doesn't have any crookedness, so that you may take guard. So once you are reading the Quranic Arabic ayahs revealed by Allah, it doesn't have crookedness. Crookedness can be found in translations, if you are just reading the translation. So that is why Arabic Quran means reading of Arabic language, reading of Arabic in the Salah and reading. It doesn't have crookedness, because it's a revelation from Allah.